Hello, this is Tiffany with Hustle Hard Design Co. I just want to do a quick video tutorial to show you how to use my animated camera Tumbler mockup. Okay, when you first open the file, you're going to see this page here. It's just going over some information about using the mockup. Okay, and then the second page here will be the background, which is a frame. You can drag and drop your image into the frame. And also, there are two placeholders here for you to place your image. You can drag and drop your image into both of these here to create a longer image for the full 360 rotation. So first, we are going to move this out the way. And there are some guides here that'll help you to place this along the edge of the tumbler once we're done placing our image. But first, we're going to add a background. Let's see. We'll add this one here. Just drag and drop your background there, and that's what it looks like. And now we're going to we're going to find an image to place into the frame first. Okay, we can use this one here. Okay, so both images are loaded. The animation is already preset. We're going to go to layers and move this here below the background image. And then you're going to go press play. And that's 5 seconds. And then the video will start. The straw rotates. And it's a 15-second video. And once it's done playing, you can press download and download as an MP4. And I always decrease the size of it is 2000 by 1600 pixels, but I always decrease the size for if I'm uploading to social media or for streaming. So make sure you decrease the size. And then if you duplicate the template and you make multiple pages, you can just drop down and go to which page you want to download. And then that's it. And you don't have to detach your image from the background to replace. You can just drop a new image over there, over the background, and then you're good. And if you want to add a new image to this frame, to the wrap area, you would just bring it out here and just drag and drop your next image. They're side by side. Just line it up with the guides and go to position, layers, and send below. Then that's it. So if you have any questions, please message me.